Okay, so I just want to give a little update. As you can see just from that little video, that little clip right there, this was, like, this bumper was essentially sticking out, like, I want to say, a good, like about that much. It was sticking out about, but, yeah, I just thought that was crazy, that this was sticking out so far, right? So, what I did was I just straight up grabbed the heat gun, and I've just been doing this for about a few hours now, back and forth for, I'd say, about an hour and a half. And honestly, it's actually, like, it's starting to come out a bit here, but I'm sure if I keep reworking it, it'll slowly get tighter and tighter and tighter, because it was definitely not as tight as it was before, and now the fitment's actually getting quite tight, I'd say. I'm gonna fit a credit card down there, but still, it's getting way better. And this, like, you see how I can't put my pinky in here? Before I can put my whole thumb in there. So, like, that only proves that this is getting way more tighter. So, yeah, definitely happy with the way this is coming out right now. But that was the left side. Now here's the passenger side. I can literally fit my fingers in there, right? So, if I keep using the heat gun, I'll just actually, luckily this side actually is tight fitment, so that's good. That'll be easy to snug this part in. But anyways, that was because this side was actually so much easier to fit on than the other side. Just because whoever made this bumper. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know where we're at with the bumper. And yeah, I think it's coming along pretty good actually, considering, well, at one point I was going to chop the car. And at another point, I actually thought I was going to just, as soon as I had this chunk missing here, I was honestly just going to throw the whole bumper away because I was pissed. I just wasn't liking the way the fitment wasn't tight and just was looking ugly, you know, but it's slowly starting to work its way together, so I'm liking it. Yeah.
24 hours later.
Hey everybody, new day here, new day. It's Tuesday, or no, it's Monday, January 31st, I want to say. Yeah, January 31st. Anyways, doing a little update. Just another day here at the shop. Now I know it may not seem perfect, but considering what we had before, what we got now is a lot better, because before we could fit like, not 2 fingers, but I could put my finger under there. It was bad. Here I've been working on slowly. I did notice that with the heat gun, it puts it flush like perfect. And then I was putting something in the way just to kind of like hold it there in place, so that when it would like cool down, it just kind of like mold itself to this shape that I was like pressing it down to be. I feel like I still need to do some more work here, because this, you know, that's quite a gap for me. Here though is like exponentially gotten way better. Like this was like, no, this was nasty. Like I could all of these spots, man, I'm telling you, you could feel a whole finger down. It was crazy, it's crazy. But yeah, so we also got this spot in this corner here. It's, yeah, you could fit a finger down there still. Oh wow, I can actually fit my whole finger down there. But I'm gonna keep applying some heat there and just applying pressure, and hopefully it just molds itself in. I mean, it's been slowly working its way on the other side. Let me get off the chair, because that's just too much noise. But yeah, that's what it looks like on this side. Let me get a light. You can see getting about the same sort of fitment here. It's getting tighter than it was before. Yes, I do notice that there's a miniature crack there. I'm not too worried, it's fiberglass, man. But it's gonna have cracks. But yeah. Oh, that's what I was trying to tell you guys. This one, you can't even put a finger in there. That's how perfect the fitment is, because, well, not perfect, but that's how much nicer the fitment on this side was compared to the other side. So yeah, anyways, that's basically just a little update on this rear bumper. It's coming along way, way, way better than I expected, because yeah, I was gonna throw it at one point. Definitely wasn't happy with the way it came out at first, but you know, a little bit of patience, and as you can see, that fitment's getting a lot better than it was before. I mean, look how tight it is here, as it should be, right? But anyways, yeah, I'll catch you guys later.